So just looked at the Power Automate flow where we just need to send particular mails for a particular 4 different tables we just created, and we just use the custom workflows, compose and the select. And but what do you do if there's a statement, there's a question, and there's a business issue for that, that if you want to send according to a table you have, for example there's a table, employee table, and for those employee tables whose salaries are like in the range of 20 to 20k, and whose salaries are more than 20k, or there's a group who they need to be sent according to those email IDs only, with a partition from a simple, for example there's a portfolio kind of a thing, and the portfolio is X, and for the people who are coming under X, those email IDs will be sent only to those people which comes under those salaries. How do you do that with the help of Automate? Now, another thing is, within that, there's one more question, and the question is, can we do that without initializing the variable, or apply to each? And if we do the apply to each, does the email needs to be within the apply to each or not? Answer me. Take a pause and answer me. See, we need the apply to each there, because apply to each is the most important thing for sending it across the mail, across the whole table, where the complete column would be depending on those email IDs. The email IDs depend on those portfolios, right? That's the first requirement. Now the second requirement is, if we need to send them particularly to those people within a dynamic time frame, then we need to initialize the variable. Now initializing the variable is simple enough. Even if we don't initialize it, we can just put it within the mail itself with the dynamic content, and we don't need to create some different expression for that. Dynamic content within the Copilot can help. Sometimes the Copilot doesn't help you to bring on that expression. So what you do is, just go ahead with those columns, and you can ask.
Can be a trending question which can be asked this year about Automate.
The Copilot to create those expressions for you, and then that will create the expression for you, and you can just put it within the FX. Now